Whether you're responsible for cleaning up big messes in an office or other industrial setting, or are proactively preparing for the inevitable household spills to come, it's always helpful to have an excellent self-wringing spin mop on hand. There are various kinds of spin mops available on the market, so before spending, you must consider your exact requirements. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Go Plus Spin Mop is a 360 rotating washable mop which is perfect for door, kitchen, bathroom, lobby, car, bedroom, etc. It has super thin microfiber with great absorbent ability, which can effectively remove fouling and do the thorough cleaning without damaging floors. Also, the handle angle may be adjusted from 45 to 180 degrees for the most comfortable mopping position. It offers a superior dewatering performance and dehydration is more thorough. Besides, it can effectively remove fouling and do the thorough cleaning without damaging floors. Moreover, it can do washing and drying without any power, saving energy and water. It is made from fiber and stainless steel, safety without peculiar smell. The Top Mop Spin Mop comes with two ultra-absorbent microfiber mop heads and a beautifully designed wringer bucket. Our all-in-one system will leave your home sparkling clean. It features an innovative patented mop plate technology so that you can now spin, dry, and wash the mop heads with just one hand. It comes with a lightweight and easy to transport, and the wringer bucket includes a pulley handle and rolling wheels for hassle-free mobility. Besides, with an expandable 56-inch handle, you'll reach under the bed and behind furniture with ease. Also, it works great on multiple surfaces and is designed to prevent spillage, and you'll effortlessly clean dirt, dust, and pet hair in any room. Moreover, it is constructed with long-lasting stainless steel, and not only is it strong and durable, but it also resists rust, stains, and odor. The OCEDAR Spin Mop comes with an exclusive bucket design that has built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing. It has deep cleaning microfiber that helps to remove and absorb tough dirt and grime. It offers a high-quality foot pedal which is designed to activate spin wringing and allowing the level of moisture to be controlled. Also, its triangular mop head allows for cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Besides, the easy ring spin bucket and mop gives the ability to control the amount of water applied to the floor, easier wringing and quicker drying floors. It's ideal for all hard levels with no bending down and no wet hands, so you'll enjoy an effective and efficient cleaning experience with minimal labor and little mess. The Hurricane 360 Spin Mop comes with an innovative 360-degree rotating microfiber mop head, is gentle on all types of surfaces that you'll need to clean and polish. Unlike a bucket with wringer, it has a revolutionary wet mop bucket that uses centrifugal spinning technology to clean the mop head. It is lightweight for easy maneuverability, weighing less than 2 pounds. You can reach every nook and cranny, cleaning your kitchen floor with a pivoting head that reaches everywhere. Also, it uses patented centrifugal spinning technology that spins away dirty water, leaving you with a clean mop head. Besides, it's great for cleaning any surface including hardwood, marble, laminate, ceramic tile, and more. The dirty water collects in the bucket, and you're ready to clean your floors with a dirt-free microfiber mop. The Mop NATO Spin Mop is perfect for cleaning all types of floors, including laminate, hardwood, tile, vinyl, stone, and concrete. It offers microfiber mop heads which are durable and machine washable, providing money-saving value over traditional mops. It has a 180-degree swiveling mop head which makes it easy to reach under furniture, while the extendable 56-inch long handle allows you to clean windows and ceiling fans. It features large wheels and 2 handles for easy mobility while cleaning, and the Mop NATO handle is also constructed out of stainless steel for durability. Also, it includes 2 microfiber mop heads, a scrub brush attachment, and a cleaning solution dispenser built into the mop bucket, and the highest quality stainless steel handle set. Besides, the mop heads are durable and machine washable, better value than cotton mops. Another unique specialty is that it has patented mop plates, make rinsing the mop head easier than any other mop on the market. Holding the first place among the list of best spin mops, we have the Twistn Shout Mop. It's a self-wringing mop that easily spins dry with a gentle push on the handle. It has swivel joint that pivots 180 degrees and rotates 360 degrees to clean under furniture and along baseboards. It's also great for cleaning windows, walls, cars, and boats. Also, it has a super absorbent microfiber mop head which cleans 3 times better than cotton, dries floors instantly, and leaves no streaks. Each microfiber mop head lasts up to a year and costs little to replace, minimizing your total cost of ownership compared to other cleaning systems in the market. Besides, the machine washable reusable mop heads last 6 to 12 months, saving hundreds of dollars in refill costs. Moreover, it has a specially designed swivel joint that allows the mop head to bend 180 degrees and quickly clean the hardest reachable areas under furniture and around tight corners. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe if you loved it. The comment section is all yours if you need to tell us something. The bell icon is there to help you get instant notifications.